Welcome back. In this video, we will cover OneCart's SKU coverage page. Let's navigate over to Health Check, SKU coverage, and let's go ahead and generate the report out of this OneCart account. Now, the SKU coverage page is very convenient, especially when you're getting set up with OneCart, because many sellers end up with missing gaps across their shops, meaning that one or more SKUs are published on one shop but not everywhere. And the SKU coverage page makes it very easy to visually find the SKUs that are not published. In essence, the pink cells indicate a missing gap, and an integer cell indicates the number of times that the SKU is published on the platform. So let's go ahead and search for a specific SKU. This is a hoodie, the H1000. And as you can see, I have 9 quantity on hand, 9 pieces on hand. The SKU is published once on Lazada, 11 times on Shopee, but not on this other Lazada or this Amazon shop. And so with this information, you can then go ahead and publish into the missing gaps to maximize your coverage fully. You can do a manual publish directly on the seller center itself, or you can do a cross-post using OneCart's cross-post functionality.
Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? With OneCart, you get effortless inventory syncing, streamlined listing management, and seamless multi-platform integration. Don't just take our word for it, hear from our happy customers. Experience the OneCart difference and start your free trial today. Simplify your workflow, grow your business. OneCart, your all-in-one e-commerce solution.